Now, last section in coordinate geometry, introduction part 1 explained. In that introduction part 1, distance formula, section formula, area of the triangle, the concepts discussed. Now, in this section, under the introduction part 2, area of a quadrilateral. How to find out area of a quadrilateral means, if you take A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, D x4 y4 are the vertices of a quadrilateral. For example, this is the quadrilateral A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, D x4 y4. These four are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Then how to find out the area of quadrilateral? That means half modulus x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x1 y1. Now half into x1 y2 minus y1 x2 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y4 minus x4 y3 plus x4 y1 minus x1 y4. This value you find out, then you get by the area of a quadrilateral. Otherwise, x1 y4. This formula will simply written as half into r, half into x1 into otherwise, if you common x1, x2, x3, x4, you get in this formula. This is the area of a quadrilateral. Otherwise, if you find out area of the triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle CDA, this one also you find out, you get by the area of a quadrilateral. Now, one more concept, concurrent lines and point of concurrency. First, you understanding by the meaning of a concurrent lines. Two or more lines. LMN are the three lines. The three lines are passing through the same point. Then the lines are called by the concurrent lines. This point is called by the point of concurrency. What is the meaning of a concurrent line statement? Two or more lines are passing through the same point. Then the lines are called by the concurrent lines. Then the point is called by the point of concurrency. Now, in triangle, different type of concurrencies we get. First I am taking by the centroid. How to form by the centroid? Centroid, before first you understand by the meaning of a median. First you understanding by the meaning of a median. What is the meaning of a median? There means in a triangle, a line segment from the vertex to the joining by the midpoint of the opposite side. Then this line segment is called by the median. Once again, the line segment joining by the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Then here AD is called by the median. At the same time, BE is also called by the median. CF is also called by the median. So these three lines are called by the medians. Then the three lines are passing through the same point. then the point is called by the centroid. This point is called by the centroid. The centroid denoted with the symbol Z. Centroid G divides AD in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex. For suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the three vertices of a triangle, then centroid of the triangle formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It is called by the centroid formula. Now, second category. Now, second one is circumcenter. This circumcenter is also one of the point of concurrency. When will happening by the circumcenter, they means in a triangle, if you take in a triangle, draw the perpendicular bisectors. Here what circumcenter. Here draw by the perpendicular bisectors. Here AD, BE and CF are called by the perpendicular bisectors. Here the three lines are passing through the same point. Then this point is called by the circumcenter. It is denoted as a symbol of CRS. Then, for suppose if you take this one center, if you draw a circle, that circle is passing through the vertices of a triangle. Then the circle is called by the circumcircle. How to find out by the circumcenter? That means if you draw by the perpendicular bisectors. So the point of concurrency of the perpendicular bisectors is called by the circumcenter. If you take as that point, if you take a center, then CS or CA or CB or CC. If you take as a radius, draw a circle. The circle is passing through the vertices of a triangle. Then the circle is called by the circumcircle. Now third one is orthocenter. Third one is called by orthocenter. In a triangle, ABC is a triangle. Draw the altitudes. If you draw by the altitudes to the opposite side from the opposite vertex, then the three lines are passing through the same point. That point is called by the orthocenter. Here important point is altitudes. If you draw by the altitudes, then the three lines are passing through the same point. That point is called by the orthocenter. It is denoted symbol of O. Next, last and final category. Fourth one is incenter. In a triangle, ABC is a triangle. If you draw by the angular bisectors, then the three lines are passing through the same point. Then that point is called by the incenter. It is denoted with the symbol of I. Then this I has a center, and IE or IF or ID take as a radius. Draw a circle. The circle is passing through the sides of the triangle. Then the circle is called by the incircle. This radius, if you take it as a smaller, then area of the triangle, how to find out with the help of the in radius there means delta equal to RS. For suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then how to find out in center there means I equal to a x1 plus b x2 plus c x3 by a plus b plus c, a y1 plus b y2 plus c y3 by a plus b plus c. It is the formula for the in center. Here a, b, c are called by the length of the BC, AC and AB. This proof also I am giving in the description. Please follow it. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment.